Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here. Real short video today. We're going to be adding the backer board to this shark. One of the backer boards is already completed right here. Painted this nice ocean blue type color. We're going to attach this shark to this with some glue and clamp it up, and I'm going to show you how I prefer to glue stuff to wood with some just basic spring clamps I got at Harbor Freight. So let's get over there and do that, and then I've got some more stickers to add to the sticker box. I now have everything here ready to glue this shark onto the backer board. I'm using Gorilla wood glue. I really love using this type of glue. I've got my clamps here. These are just basic clamps I've picked up along the way at Harbor Freight. I just get some extras whenever I feel that I need some. An old woodworking adage is you can never have enough clamps. But I also have these strips of wood, and what I'm going to do when I attach the shark to the backer board after the glue is on it, I'm going to lay these strips for support in the middle for clamping pressure in the middle, and what I'm going to do is and then I'm going to add a clamp to each end of these, and then I'll put a few around here and maybe a couple in between here, but then that clamp up and that glue up will be done. So let me get along and I'm going to start doing that. Here we are gluing up the shark. I'm adding the Gorilla wood glue to the back side of the shark. I'm going to flip it around and lay it on the backer board and try to line it up where it's got a nice even border all the way around it, and start attaching these little strips of wood I've got here, and those just give it all the way around, clamping pressure all over it throughout the middle and everywhere around the sides. The shark is now glued and clamped up. I'll let this dry overnight, and then I'll get a few coats of spray lacquer on it and then get it hung up somewhere, either here in the shop or in the house somewhere. But again, stay tuned on my Instagram to see the finished project of both this one and then the other shark I've done, which is actually going to be painted and then glued to the backboard. So I wanted two different kind of looks with that. So stay tuned and you'll see that. But I also have some stickers, and I got my sticker box down. So let's add them to the sticker box. Sterling's Woodcrafts. Go. Chris and Diane Schroeder, C&D Craft Works. Let's put that one over here. Mayhem Wheels. Bain Custom Woodworking. Rugged Moose Decor. And the Desert Moose Workshop. It's starting to fill up, guys. if you want to sticker swap with me, just send me a message on one of the social media sites I'm linked to, and I'll try to get an Artisan Pirate sticker out to you. But let me go get this hung up back over in the corner and get it spinning again, and I've got a couple more things to show you guys. The sticker swap sticker box is back in its home over there in the corner, and it's doing its job rotating, displaying all the stickers that I've collected so far. I also got this in the mail. It says The Garage, and it was sent to me by Thomas Badcock in Lansing, Michigan. This is a piece of wood that Thomas has actually hand painted and put his logo on it, and I think this is a piece of that double-sided 3M adhesive tape on the back, but I'm going to peel that off and I'm going to display it here somewhere in the shop. Thought that was real cool. I also have Artisan Pirate bracelets now. Has my name, Artisan Pirate, on one side, and has my hometown of Burlington, North Carolina on the other side. I'm going to have these when I'm out and about in my hometown or when I go somewhere special. So if you'd like one, they're just a couple bucks. And also, my back wall here, I want to redo it soon to put the sticker swap sticker box back here where you guys can see it, and every time I do an intro to a video or when I'm out here in the shop, you can see the sticker collection grow like I see it grow when I add stickers to it. So I'm thinking about putting it on this side of my banner. I don't know yet. I've got to take these tools down and kind of see what works best. But hopefully I'll get that done soon, and it'll be spinning behind me real soon. But as always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something today about the glue up I done on the shark. Please like, share, subscribe, take care, and as always, God bless.